I see the lonely road that leads so far away. I see the distant light you left behind the day. But what I say is so much more that I can say, and I see you in midnight blue. I see. Ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo yung acoustic version ng Midnight Blue. Kaya ako sinabing acoustic guys kasi gitara lang yung gagamitin natin, di ba? Okay, ito na yung mga intro na gagamitin natin. D, G, then balik sa D, tapos A. Yan, bali yan 2 times yung ulitin yan. Kaya ganito kung paano siya istramin. Kaya dito sa D ay ganito, parang nagdi-D-sus 4 ka dito. Itong pinky mo, hinahammer mo yan. Hammer, bitaw, then G. Yan, ganun lang, di ba? Then verse na agad. I see the lonely road that leads so far away. I see the distant light that left behind the day. Okay, yung chords naman sa kanyang verse guys. D, C, then F sharp minor, F sharp minor. Tapos next sa F sharp minor ay ito E minor. Then ito G minor, parang F sharp minor lang pero dito. Then A. Okay? Yung strumming ko guys mas maganda kung ang strumming pattern na gagamitin nyo rito ay down lahat. I see the lonely road that leads so far away. Yan, kung gusto nyo, dagdag nyo yun. Diba, naka F sharp minor ka? Leads so far away. Then, kalabit nyo yung 5, 4, 3, 2 na string. Yan. I see the lonely road that leads so far. 5, 4, 3, 2. Then, E minor. I see the distant light left behind the day. Okay, then, meron pa yung karugtong guys. Idugtong na natin sa verse to guys ha. Parang refrain kasi siya pero idugtong na lang natin sa kanyang verse. Yung but what I say so much more than I can say, and I see you in midnight blue. Kaya yung chords on D, but what I say, ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung chords na to, inimbento ko lang to pero parang D11 ata to. Itong second string lang sa first fret guys. Yan, isang string lang. But what I say, it's so much than B. More than I can say, and I see E minor. Then G minor in mid A. Night blue. Yan, ayos ba mga lods? Ulitin natin. Mula verse 1. Kasabayan nyo ako guys ha. I see the lonely road that leads so far away. I see the distant light left behind the day. But what I say is so much more than I can say. Then I see you in midnight blue. So, tapos meron siyang parang interlude niya ng konti bago pumasok sa second verse. Ang chords lang nun, G, di ba nagtapos ka sa D? G, then A, tapos second verse. Ganito siya. I see you crying now that I love say that I see you in midnight blue. Okay? Then papasok na doon yung chorus niya. Pero bago mag-chorus ay gagawin nyo to. Parang nag-intro lang kayo kanina. Pero isang beses nyo lang ulitin. In midnight blue. Then A. Yun, tapos chorus. I will love. Okay, ulitin natin. I will love you tonight. And I will stay by your side. Loving you. I'm feeling midnight blue. Simple lang yung mga chords niya, di ba guys? D, then F sharp minor, G, love you tonight, A, D ulit, G, stay by your side, then G minor, then D, loving you, B minor, and G, I'm feeling midnight blue. Yan. Ayos tugtugin tong song na to guys, magandang sound trip to. Basta kahit luma pero maganda, di ba? Tapos mag interlude siya, yung intro kanina, gayahin niyo lang. Yan, tapos third verse. I see you standing now that I'm along the way. I want to touch you, but the night becomes the day. I'm never gonna say that I see you in midnight blue. G, D, A, chorus. I will love you tonight, and I will stay by your side. I'm feeling midnight blue. Yan, diba? Tapos sa chorus na, chorus 2, medyo mag-interlude ka ulit, gawin mo yung intro. Kasi meron siyang bridge, guys. Yan, yung mga chords ng bridge, guys, ay gaya ng chords dun sa second verse. Okay, try natin. Una, mag-interlude muna tayo. Can't you feel the love that I'm offering you? Can't you see how it's meant to be? Can't you feel the love that I'm sending to you? Can't believe, can't believe. It's only one, the one. Sorry, ulitin natin. It's only one, the one it's true. Still I see you in midnight blue. Yeah, tapos yung last chorus niya ay iba na yung lyrics, diba? I see beautiful and eyes know beautiful, loving you. I feel midnight blue. Tapos ulitin mo lang, chorus ulit. I will love, then I will stay by your side, loving you. Yun, ganoon lang guys, tapos na yung kanta. Madali lang yung mga chords niya, di ba? Basta, siya nga pala guys, lagyan nyo ng kapo dito sa second fret guys ha. Pero kung gusto niyo mas mababa na Midnight Blue, ay tanggalin nyo lang. Wala yung problema. Okay, kung gusto niyo mas mataas, ilipat nyo kung ano yung kaya nyo. Yun lang guys, salamat at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye-bye, hanggang sa muli.